Hello Booties, it's Caleb Marshall and welcome back to my channel. It's officially Pride Month and I am teaming up with YouTube to bring you the best Pride celebration possible. This video is sponsored by YouTube Originals in support of raising money for the Trevor Project. The Trevor Project is the world's largest suicide prevention and crisis intervention organization for LGBTQ youth. When I was growing up, I relied so heavily on my friends to get me through my coming out experience. Having a support system allowed me to truly love and accept myself, and that is what the Trevor Project provides for so many young people who feel so alone. All month long, I'll be working with YouTube and other creators to raise money for Trevor through the donate button that you see at the right of this video. During the month of June, YouTube is matching every dollar donated to Trevor on YouTube through the Give with Pride challenge up to $250,000. But there's something in it for you too. Don't think we left you out. If we hit our donation goal of $500,000 by June 19th, I will recreate one of our old dance workout videos that are in desperate need of a refresh. This video will premiere during the YouTube Originals live stream event, YouTube Pride 2021, which is happening on June 25th. So let me know, should we recreate Get Ugly by Jason Derulo, Telephone by Lady Gaga, or the national gay anthem, Into You by Ariana Grande? Leave a comment below, let me know which video you want me to recreate, and if you can, donate using the donate button on this video and tune into YouTube Pride 2021 on June 25th at 12 p.m. PST, 8 p.m. BST. Let's party with a purpose for Trevor, and remember, you are everything.